What is up, guys? If you want to find profitable products much quicker, you got to try this new Chrome extension by SellerAmp that is totally free if you are a SellerAmp user. I've been using it for the last 2 weeks and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to walk you through exactly what it is. There'll be a link down below how to get it. If you are not signed up with SellerAmp yet or anything like that, or don't know what that is, there is a free quick start guide below. Everything that I use, you get my tracking spreadsheet, all that stuff. So let's just get into it. So the plugin is called SellerAmp QVS, Quick View Simplified. I'm going to show you exactly how this works in a second, but this is what we could do with this tool. So it allows us to see the product ASIN and copy to a clipboard right away. You could see if Amazon's on the listing. You could see the count of FBA and FBM, number and details of variations, the bestseller rank, first review, full product details. And you might be thinking to yourself, oh, like, you know, I can kind of see that on the SellerAmp itself. But where this comes in most helpful is when you are manually sourcing on Amazon itself, which is one of the best ways to actually find profitable products that other people aren't seeing because they don't want to put in that work. So this is kind of how it looks when I just typed in Stanley Cups. And so what this is right here is this is the info that we are seeing right here. So we could see Amazon is on this one. There's 5 FBM sellers. There's 1 FBA. This is the ASIN. If we want to copy that, we could just copy that to a clipboard, plug that maybe into Keepa or something else. There's 33 variations, so we could see all the different colors. And then you could also see the first review, which is really helpful. So why is this helpful? Because when you are searching for stuff like this manually, you could see right away that for this one, this is not a Stanley Cup. This is a sponsored thing because you can see there's only 1 FBA, 1 FBM. So that saves us for having to click into this and try to dig and find the information. And 2, we could just look for ones that Amazon is not on and see if they are going to be a better fit as well to source. So let's keep scrolling here and see if we can find one. You can see there's like a lot of knockoffs and stuff like that, which is kind of funny. All right. Amazon is on a lot. It's crazy how many they are on. Here is a Yeti one, which could be a good opportunity if you can sell Yeti. Here is, which one is this? So actually, let's open this one up, because that could be interesting because Amazon is not on this. And then here is one as well. You can see here 9 FBA, 1 FBM. I really like this. This is a similar one would be like Amazon Quick View, but you don't get all this information unless you pay for it. So this is a really nice option if you don't want something that you have to pay for. So we could kind of just look if you could find this profitably. It looks like Yeti Authorized is on here. You could also look back. You'll see here in Q4 this popped up to about 65. So that's something that you can note. You got the rose cord here. Again, this is kind of popping up. Amazon was never on that. So if you're looking for a quick way to identify profitable products, I would definitely highly suggest using this, especially if you are already a SellerAmp user. And if you're not and want to use this plugin, there is a free 14-day trial below. I hope you found this video helpful, and let me know what you guys think in the comments.